Hey folks, welcome to another unboxing. Something I've been wanting for a while and finally got my hands on one for review. This is the Sainlogic Smart Weather Station. I've always wanted a weather station in the days now of climate change and all of the, what would I want to say, the weather patterns in New York and not being able to plan, not sure what's going to happen. This to me is a fantastic addition, so I'm so grateful to get to review it. I'm going to get right into it because I believe it has a lot of pieces and I want to get it installed today. Today is actually the 4th of July 2025. It's Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to everyone. So let's get it out of the box. Show you that. What I should actually do is take a photo, which you may see me do in all of my unboxings. And I do this simply because many of you will look at the unboxing videos and you will enjoy them. But there are a few people who don't like videos. They like to read, and this way they can read the entire review using the link in the description below at thegadgeteer.com. And they can have the same experience and enjoyment that we do. So if you see me pause from time to time to take a photos, it's all part of my unboxing. So to make this easy, I'm going to take out all the literature and I'm going to put this box on the ground and take the pieces out one by one to show you. So what we have here is the user manual, quite thick, quite big, nice size lettering so it's easy to read. The app instruction manual, the quick setup guide, and the warranty activation. So putting those aside, I've got looks like a base to screw in. I've got what looks like the pole for the actual device. I have, that fell out, an AC adapter, which is most likely for the base unit, right? I have what looks like the base unit that takes the AC adapter. It says reset, rain reset, internet, and pair. It is very light. It has a QR code on the top. I have here the toolkit, so screws of various types and a screwdriver. I have another type of base. It says press to hook at the bottom the filter. So this has, I guess, to do with the water filter, the water receptacle on the device. And then last but not least, I have the device itself. It's got these kind of cups that obviously spin with the wind. I would assume it's got a tailpiece. It's got a level on the top, the rain bucket. I'm not sure what this is yet. And the pole part at the bottom, right, that you screw in, which likely takes the pole. So I'm going to read the instructions. I'm going to set this all up. And you can see the videos that I do after, if I do as part of the review, and you certainly can read the entire review by using the link in the description below. So stay tuned for the review of the Sainlogic Smart Weather Station coming soon.